We never have a true idea of its value until we lose it. Hello everyone, I am Akanksha and today I am going to speak that health is one of the most important wealth. So as we all know and are aware that our health is the most important wealth that we have. We know that we can earn money if once we lose it, but we can't get back our good health easily if we lose it due to our carelessness. Just like Buddha said, I like to quote Buddha here. He said, to keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. So, the health, not only physical health, but also mental health is important. So, health is diverse, is divided into two parts, that is your physical health and mental health. We can maintain our mental fitness by regularly exercising our mind, maybe by reading, writing, or playing good mind games, or learning new things in our life. If we will keep our mind idle or brain idle, it becomes dull and slow. We need to maintain a a good relation with our mind along with the physical fitness. So I would also want to tell about the physical fitness. We can improve our physical fitness by exercising regularly in the morning or maybe evening, or I think we should, what is important is to start and not the timing. If once you decide that you will start jogging in the morning, maybe 2 or 3 days you will be able to wake up in the morning, but when on the fourth day you won't be able to wake up in the morning, you might skip the interest in jogging as well. So what I believe is just start whatever time is it. You can exercise any time of the day except few hours, not before few, after few hours of eating. So one, we can exercise regularly. We can do walking, jogging, or yoga in the parks, or maybe at home now for nowadays. We can do weightlifting exercises or maybe body weight exercises to keep ourselves fit. And I think a lot of people during this lockdown has realized that how important it is to eat healthy, to eat clean, and to be fit. So, like eating clean and working out at least 15 to 20 minutes a day is a good idea to keep your organs fit and working. When we are physically fit, we feel ourselves at the top of the world as well. We get a lot of confidence. We clean our body of all the waste produced in our body. We will not become obese. Many disease will, we won't be suffered with many diseases, and we drive away the letharginess in our body. So it is very important to maintain the mental and physical health both. And I think this is not even costly. All it requires is a little time from your day. And I would like to conclude my speech by saying that we do not stop exercising because we grow old. I think we grow old because we stop exercising. Thank you.